Hi, in this video, we are going to talk about the text widget in Flutter. The text widget in Flutter is the most commonly used widget in building user interface. It is used to display a short piece of text on the screen. And today we are going to explore the various properties of text widget and through which we can customize it, control its appearances as well as behavior. The first one is the data. So this is the other properties are named parameter. The first one is just a data, which is not a named parameter property. So we have to in double quotes we have to define what text we have to show here. So if just I remove only the widget here, we can just see the text. And if I type widget here, we can see text widget rendering on the screen. The other properties, the important one is the style. Through this property we can style how our appearance of the text widget and appearance of the text we can see on the screen. So we can just define our color. So if I want my text to look green, I can just make it green, and I can also specify the font size, which can be 24. It can look bigger. Other thing is I can specify the font weight. So we have different font weight categories. The first is bold, normal. With the least value, we'll have a lightest of the bold, lightest of the weight of the font. So if I go with weight 100, it will look much lighter. But if I go with weight of 900, it will look much bolder. Or we can also use the bold property, which is less than weight of 900, but yeah, it looks bold. And other properties of the text widget is the text alignment. So we can align the text where, like, if we want to align to the start, we align, and if it's in a container, we can align this based on the width we have or the height we have. So first, right now we're gonna align it to center. And the other property is the text direction. So we can apply the text direction to left to right or right to left. The first is the left to right, which is the basic, or we can also apply the right to left. And the other properties is the soft wrap. So if I turn it to true, what it will do is this property will determine whether the text should be wrapped to the next line if it exceeds the width of its container. So if I write a example, basically in Flutter to showcase the text. So here we can see that it's wrapped in the next line, but if I make it to false, it will just cut it out and it will not show it. So if you want to show more than in one line, you have to change this property to true. And here you can also see text alignments. If I can text to start, so it will all align to the left side, but I need them to be in center, so it's in center right now. So this is the most prominent properties of the text widget, and thank you.